भाई इंडिया जितने वाली आ, सारे तैयार रहो। 4 बॉल 2 रन चाहिए। तिलक वर्मा जिता दियो। 4 बॉल 2 रन। चलो चलो 2 1 रन चाहिए था। रिंकू हंसने लग गया। ओ भाई कैमरा डिग गया भाई। जीत गया भाई। चलो भाई जीत गए। चलो भाई मिलेंगे कल नू। चलो भाई फाइनल। जीत गया भाई। बस अगली गेम। पाकिस्तान वाले की बोलते सी संडे नु मैच जितांगे। तलाक शब्बा यार। मम्मी इंडिया जीत गई। भाई जीत गए भाई। जीत गए भाई। एंड तक दिखावांगे जो तक ट्रॉफी नहीं जीतते। चलो जीत गए भाई। और ये तो साडे मेला लग्या होया सी। मम्मी जीत गई इंडिया। 5 विकेट तो 150 मारते रिंकू ने शॉट मारे तिलक ने जिताता। और 6 बॉलों ते 10 रन चाहिए सी मारे। पहला तो 1 छक्का मारा फिर ते 2 रन ले ले उन्होंने भज के ते इंडिया जीती भाई। खड़दे सानू मैच नहीं दिखाने अपने 3 रन वध जीत गए की बनाते सारे भाई। इंडिया जीत गई। चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें भाई। थैंक यू। तुम यार दिखाए कोई गल नहीं देखना भी करो कोई गल नहीं। मैं खुद देख जीते इंडिया जीत गई। इंडिया फाइनल। इंडिया जीत गई। देखो कुलदीप थैंक यू यार तूने जिताया था 4 विकेट। जितेश शर्मा सारे वही आरसीबी दा टीम अर्शदीप सिंह
appropriate that Rinku Singh has to be the man that we talk to because he's played how many balls in the tournament? Only one. Yeah, the ball that mattered. Yeah, तो कोई मैटर नहीं करता सर. तो यही था कि हर एक जो जितना ही बॉल मिलता है उतना कंट्रीब्यूट करूँ अपनी टीम के लिए और वही हुआ लास्ट बॉल पे 1 रन चाहिए था मैं 3 बॉल पे तो शॉट लगा अच्छा सर. Yeah, because I was watching you take your stance and I was there with Simon too and I said watch the first ball because that is exactly I thought what happened. फिर यही दिमाग में रहता है कि सर सबको पता है कि मैं फिनिशर के रोल में मारा जाता हूँ तो वही मौका आज भी मिला था तो एक ही बॉल मिली कोई नहीं टीम जीती है तो अच्छा बॉल है सर. And that ball could have pitched anywhere and you were thinking of going for the big one. हाँ सर कहीं भी. Well done Rinko, congratulations. Thank you sir. Simon. Yeah, Sergio, thanks.
Coach.
Simon Monet, how good is that? And talk me through the bowling performance, your specific role.
Yeah, special performance by the boys tonight. They were slightly behind again. The second innings, so first line stuck all the way with the bat. But yeah, I thought the guys got the position to the ball quite well. A nice opportunity for Sharon Dubé tonight to take that first over, to take responsibility. And I thought he set the tone really for that. And what a way to finish it with the bat.
The spinners through the middle, simply brilliant, I think. And without Hardik tonight, to open the bowling, Shivam Dubé did a terrific job.
Yeah, that is sort of something we've discussed going into the tournament, that it might be an opportunity for him to use a new ball up front. And then, unfortunately, Hardik got injured now in the previous game. And he had to step up, and I thought he did that beautifully.
How hard do you work? How hard are these guys working throughout this tournament? And what are you doing with them?
Yeah, look, I mean, our practice sessions are very focused. The guys know how to go and get themselves ready for the games. And it was quite hot here in Dubai, so we had to quite well. And towards the back end, we played a lot of back-to-back games. So to manage and recover well was key. And just to get ourselves mentally into good space for a big final today. We knew Pakistan were going to come out. There was a lot on the line, obviously, in the final. And it was about the team that could hold their nerves the best. I thought, towards the back end here, our guys had a lot of experience. And Shivam also, just for taking that partnership with Talat Deep was key.
All right, well, I always say, batters win your games, bowlers win your tournaments. Well done, mate. Good, great job from you. Sanjay, over to you. Well,
Kuldeep.
lucky we are to have these two spinning wizards with us. And we
Kuldeep te Varun.
now. Kuldeep, I know you got 4 wickets, but I'm going to talk to him first because he got the 2 crucial wickets. I mean, just imagine the guys who got out, so top
Varun ne
about,
kadde
those 2 wickets, 2 set batters looking very dangerous.
Yeah, I feel great. Definitely.
Varun Chakravarti.
Wickets and Fakar and Sarkara Farhan, they were going well. And yes, I had done some plans and it worked out in the way. But Kuldeep came and finished. Yeah, it gave me memories of KKR when we were playing together. And he's always a star. He's the best, one of the best spinners. Yeah.
So there you go. It's a spin, which is still India's strength to win the big matches, isn't it?
Of course, it's very important to bowl in the middle overs, and of course, we, Varun and Akshar, playing together is obviously it's a luxury to have, and everyone have a different role, So obviously they started really well after 10-11 overs they were like 100 for 1, and we knew that if we get a couple of early wickets, then probably not early, but after that, after 10 overs we got a couple of wickets from him, then obviously it's not gonna easy for new batter to come and score runs easily, and obviously when I was bowling the 4th over, I was looking to get them out.
Did you at any stage feel that this might turn out to be a different India-Pakistan match? Because while batting, they seemed to taken off, and even when you were chasing, they were on top at one stage.
Yes, if you see the trend in the last few matches, the first 10 overs everyone is going berserk and if they don't lose wickets. So after that we knew that if we bowl on the right space and right line and length, we can curtail them down. And obviously I would like to mention Hari, and he's a guy who's done a lot of work behind the scenes, and due credit to him also.
Very nice of you guys to have him there, and yeah.
Before the game, he just send the screenshot of the lengths where you're gonna ball to the batters, and especially big thank to Hari, and obviously masterclass from Tilak. He was unbelievable today.
Nice gesture, guys. Thank you so much for your time. We've got Simon Jewell and he's got Shubman Gill with him.
శుభ్రం గిల్
Congratulations. How's that one feel?
Pretty amazing. I mean, the whole tournament unbeaten, so feels pretty amazing to be here in this position.
You've got one of the best seats in the house from our point of view, opening the batting with Abhishek. Your partnership, your combination, your camaraderie and your friendship. What is that like?
Pretty amazing. You know, we have played almost all our cricket together. I think we know each other pretty much inside out, and it's amazing to be able to bat with him. The way he bats takes off the pressure of the non-striker, whosoever is there, and he's been phenomenal from this tournament.
Been some tense moments tonight, I think. What were your thoughts sitting in the dugout with the rest of the team? What was the chat? What was the conversation?
I mean, the conversation was to take it as deep as possible. I mean, the target wasn't much, but it was important to soak in the pressure. In the start, you know, losing 3 wickets early, never easy. But I think the way first the partnership for us with Sanju and Tilak, how they batted, and then how Dubey came in and hit those big sixes for us was very important.
And you've seen the likes of Tilak and Shivam and obviously Rinku come and do those sorts of things for a few years now, so there wouldn't have been too many worries.
I mean, you know, final playing against them, 30 runs in 3 overs. There wasn't much panic, but you know, the game can go both ways. We have seen, especially on a slow kind of a wicket, the boundaries are big here, so you really need to connect to be able to get those sixes. And like I said, the way both of them batted for soaking in the pressure and then got the balls in the zone and they made sure that they hit out.
मम्मी छोटे वास्ते वीडियो रखो
Congratulations, well played.
Thank you.
इंडिया बॉलीगार्ड जीतती है भाई
Yeah, he's one of my favorites.
संजू आया यार तूने तो फड़े हैं सारे कैच
Comes in and whacks one ball out of the ground and suddenly the opposition is back on the mat.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the pressure actually. So I have not played many India Park games, but today I think it was the pressure was all over there and 3 wickets down in the power play. So I just had to use my experience, calm the nerves down, and just watch the ball and react. That's what I did, and it came off nicely. I think I had a really good partnership with Tilak and really enjoyed playing the game today.
The first 6 overs was typical Indian style, trying to, you know, hit everything out of the ground. But your partnership was a reminder to everyone that India is now starting to slowly change their approach because the pitch and maybe the conditions and the match situation demanded it.
Yeah, absolutely, sir. As we all know that the game dictates what type of cricket you need to play, and according to the conditions, you have to respect the conditions, you have to respect the situation. I think that's what we have learned. Years and years of IPL, years and years of cricket, and that's what cricket has taught us. So I just had to go out there and then look to time the ball, and that's what really helped me.
And do you prefer these kind of India-Pakistan matches, slightly closer matches, or one-sided are better?
No, closer ones are really good. That's when your characters are being tested, and that's when you also get to test your own mental ability. So I think that's really good awareness which we had just before the World Cup. I think this game was really crucial.
वर्ल्ड कप सारे कहीं नहीं जितना है वर्ल्ड
for
कप
the big games coming a few months ago.
And you've made some pertinent contributions, so well done on that, and keep up the good work, keep winning championships. Well done.
कद ऊंचा होना हो, व्यक्तित्व ऊंचा होना बहुत जरूरी है और वही आज इस भारतीय टीम ने करके दिखाया। मुश्किल में थी एक समय जब 20 रनों पे आपने 3 विकेट खो दी थी, उसके बाद कुछ साझेदारियां हुई और अंत तक तिलक वर्मा ने आज मुझे लगता है अपनी जीवन की सबसे बेहतरीन पारी खेली और ये मैच भारत को जिताया। गेंदबाजी की शुरुआत अच्छी की थी, बीच के ओवरों में भी काफी बांध के रखा था भारतीय बल्लेबाजों को, लेकिन आज हारिस रऊफ का दिन जो था वो यादगार दिन नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने 3.4 ओवरों में आज 50 रन दिए, काफी महंगे साबित हुए वो। इतिहास के पन्नों में सुनहरे अक्षरों से लिखी जाएगी ये जीत। ये था फाइनल मुकाबला डीपी वर्ल्ड एशिया कप 2025 का। 146 रन बनाए थे पाकिस्तान ने, 57 रन फरहान ने बनाए, फखर जमान के जो थे 46 रन थे, 4 विकेट कुलदीप ने हासिल की और फिर 19.4 ओवर में तिलक वर्मा की 69 रनों की पारी के चलते भारत ने ये रनों का पीछा किया और 5 विकेटों से ये मुकाबला जीत लिया। नौवीं बार जो है ये एशिया कप का खिताब जीता है भारत ने, 9वीं बार। श्रीलंका 6 बार जीत चुकी है, 2 बार पाकिस्तान में जीता है, लेकिन मुकद्दर के सिकंदर, जी हाँ, भारतीय टीम एक बार फिर ये खिताब जीतने में रही कामयाब। बढ़िया प्रदर्शन रहा है और सोने पे सुहागा कि आप ये खिताब जीतने में कामयाब रहे। तो फिलहाल तो आपसे विदा लेने का समय आ गया। बड़ा मजेदार मुकाबला था और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज जो एक्स्ट्रा इनिंग का शो है वो थोड़ा लंबा भी चलेगा और उसमें नोक झोंक भी चलेगी। बहुत बढ़िया आज ये मुकाबला रहा। आपसे विदा लेते हैं और छोड़ जाते हैं आपको एक्स्ट्रा इनिंग्स के साथ।
आगलो सारे का एक्शन मारी है। बड़ा फाइनल
This broadcast was co-presented by Mountain Dew. Check it out. Asian Paints.
खैर फाइनल ट्रॉफी चेक दे दिखावांगे। ट्रॉफी
गोली मारी राम को लगी, घनश्याम को मर गया। India's Got Talent. 4 अक्टूबर से रात 9 television of Sony Live पर।
New Zealand versus Australia. 1 अक्टूबर से सिर्फ Sony Sports Network और Sony Live पर।
बाय बाय।